I'll show you how to make this, folks. Ooh, so nice, tender, and smoky. Now what I'm gonna be showing you is, I hope y'all can hear me good. Forgive me for this sorry microphones I got. Y'all want to sound better, want me to sound better? Subscribe and start watching these videos. It helps me out a lot. I put everything I make into making these videos. But anyway, I'm gonna be showing y'all how to smoke some wings on the Masterbuilt. We're gonna be smoking tonight at 250 for about a total of 2 hours. We'll see how that rolls, but for right now, 250 for 2 hours. Now folks, here's my chicken. I did let it marinate for 24 hours in here. There's garlic and herb and garlic. We're gonna season it off. We're gonna season it off with some of my famous rub here, the BB, the black bottom. Yeah, it's very good, folks. You want the recipe for this? It will be down there in the description. All right, now, folks, it is time. Ooh, look at them babies. Ooh, look at that, nice and juicy. Your chicken is good, you don't need no sauce. Ooh-wee. I even smoked me some garlic while I was at it.